Hello students, this is your teacher Miss Rasika Dabri. Class 3rd, lesson number 13. Let's wait a monologue. This is a very interesting story in your book. Students, before starting a lesson, we should understand what is monologue. There is a monologue and another is called as a dialogue. So, in monologue, only one person speaks and opposite person only listen. Whereas in dialogue, there is a conversation between two persons. Two persons can speak. So, we'll see in this lesson how this little girl talks with herself. So, be ready. Let's wait a monologue. When things go against their wishes, little children sometimes feel very sad and lonely. They don't realize how much the people around them love them. It's only when they wait and think properly that they understand it. Let's hear what this girl has to say. Now, students, we should understand what this girl tells us. Okay, now be ready for it. This is the worst day of my life. I am feeling very sad. You may not believe it, but I am the saddest person on this earth. What the girl says that this is the worst day. This is a bad day in my life. And I am feeling very sad. I am feeling very upset, sad. And you may not believe that I am the saddest person on this earth, on this planet. I am only the saddest person, only I, me. The reason is that nobody loves me. I have a family, mummy, daddy, granny, and a younger sister. What the girl says that what is the reason why I'm saddest person? Because the reason is that nobody loves me. There is my family. I have a family, and in my family my mommy is there, my daddy, granny, and I have a small sister, younger sister, a small sister I have, but no one loves me. Now what girl says, see, I have been sitting here behind this sofa. Can you see the girl is sitting behind the sofa? Yes, what she says, I have been sitting here behind this sofa for the whole day. Okay, for the last 8 hours. All right. At least an hour, at least 10 minutes. And no one has noticed. Yes, what the girl says that I am sitting behind this sofa. Behind the sofa, I'm sitting at least whole day. Okay, but she's sitting not whole day, but at least 8 hours. Okay, all right. Not 8 hours, but at least an hour. At least 10 whole minutes. Not whole day, not 8 hours, not at least an hour, but 10 minutes. But here, my mommy, my granny, my daddy, no one has noticed me that I am sitting here. Further, what the girl says, listen. They all are interested only in my sister. Even when she cries for no reason, they all rush to her, pick her up, and give her whatever she wants. What the girl says that my whole family are interested in my small sister. When she cries for no reason, she's a small baby, but she cries for no reason. Then also they rush to her. They pick up her and give whatever she wants. What she wants, they give. No one cares for me. No one loves for me. Again, she says that I should really go away and live in some interesting place. What the girl thinks, think that I should go away from this house and live in some interesting places. And what are the interesting places that girl thinks? See, I think I'll become a hermit and wander in the mountains and forest. I'll eat the fruit on the tree and make friends with birds and animals. Yes, what girl says that I will leave this house and go in interesting places. I'll become a hermit. Hermit means a person who prefer to live alone. The person who likes to live alone. And she's telling, I'll wander, I'll roam here and there. In mountains and in forest, I will roam and I'll eat the fruit on the trees. What she will eat? The fruits which are there on the trees in the mountains and forest that she will eat, and she will make a friends with birds and animal. New friends she'll make, that is birds and animal. Further she says that okay, or I could ride away on a camel and live in a desert. Again she thinks that I could ride away on a camel and live in a desert. At night, I will sleep in a tent. What she thinks again? That in a tent I will sleep. Tent means a small structure made of cloth that is held up by poles and ropes. And mostly it is used when we go to camp. It is in forest. Okay, so she's telling I'll sleep in a tent. Or better, or better still, I'll travel to the North Pole and live in an igloo made of ice. Again, what she thinks that I'll travel to the North Pole and I will live in an igloo. Igloo, you know? Yes, she's telling an igloo made up of ice. I'll make a friend with a polar bear. She's telling that I'll make a friend with a polar bear, but where she will make a friend in the North Pole and she will stay in an igloo. And again, she will make a friend with a polar bear. After thinking what happens, say, what's that? Something soft against my back. Oh, it's baby. What are you doing here? You silly. Go away. Don't smile at me. Why do you follow me? Titch, titch. Is there no one else in the house to look after you? What happened? Girl is sitting behind the sofa and her small baby comes. Girl says, what are you doing here? Girl says to her sister, that what are you doing? Why you back of me? Please go away and don't smile at me. Don't look at me and smile at me. Why do you follow me? Why you coming behind me? Is there no one else in the house to look after you? Don't come here. You may bump into something and I'll get all the scolding. Why do you have to do everything that I do? Copycat. What girl says that please don't come here. If you'll fall down, all my parents, my grandparents, mummy, daddy, granny will scold me only if you'll fall down. And what I am doing, why you are doing? You're copycat. And again what she thinks and say, oh, never mind. Really, the people in this house, they should look after her better. I'm a grown up girl now. I can manage on my own. But what about this little baby? Come, baby, let's crawl out from here. Now the girl realized, yes, her baby is small, younger. So what she thinks, oh, never mind, really. The people in this house, they should look after her better. Why? Because her baby is small. What she says that I am a grown up girl now and I can manage on my own. I can do whatever I want. But my little baby can't speak. She's small, so my family should take better care of her. But what about her little baby? Yes, that's true. What about this girl, my little baby? And what the girl says, come, baby, let's crawl out from here. Now, see the last paragraph. When I go away, I will take you with me, or you'll keep crying for me all the time, and they won't even guess what the matter is with you. I really can't go away when you are so small. Let's wait till you are little older. Yes, what the girl says to the little baby, that when I go away, where she will go, what she thinks that I will go to mountains, forest, North Pole. What she says to the girl, that when I will go away, I will take you with me, or you will keep crying. If I will go alone, you will keep crying, and the people in the house, they won't understand why you're crying. They even can't guess what's the matter, why you're crying. So I really can't go away when you are so small. And the girl thinks that, yes, you are small baby, so I will not leave you and go. I will wait. Let's wait. I'll wait for you. Let's wait till you are little older. When you will grow little bit young older, I'll take you and go. But we should wait for that day. Okay? So let's wait till you are little older. See students, this is a very beautiful lesson. It's a monologue because the girl talks with herself only, and what she thought, that all the people only cares for her little baby. No one cares and looks after her. But afterwards that girl realized that and thinks, and she waits, that my sister is still small. It's important to pay attention on her. I'm grown up girl. I can manage. So in this lesson we understand that we should firstly wait, think, understand, and then only we should talk. Let's Wait is a very beautiful chapter. Meanings: Hermit, a person who lives alone, wander, walk around without any purpose. Igloo, a small round house made up of ice. Crawl, to move forward with your hands and knees. Thank you, students.